The Global Club, connecting alumni across borders in an increasingly interconnected world. Alumni networks have evolved beyond traditional boundaries to become powerful platforms for global engagement. The concept of a global club has emerged as a dynamic framework that unites graduates from diverse institutions worldwide, fostering collaboration, cultural exchange, and shared professional growth. This article explores how alumni organizations can leverage the principles of a global club to enhance networking opportunities, drive innovation through cross-cultural partnerships, and create lasting impact in both personal and professional spheres. Fostering cross-cultural connections through global club initiatives. A global club thrives on diversity and inclusion by bringing together individuals from different backgrounds, geographies, and disciplines. This melting pot of perspectives enables members to gain fresh insights, challenge assumptions, and develop solutions that are globally relevant yet locally adaptable. Maintaining active participation requires intentional efforts such as regular virtual meetups, multilingual communication channels, and culturally sensitive event planning. These strategies ensure that every member feels valued regardless of their origin or language proficiency. Cross-cultural events. Organizing international symposiums where alumni share experiences from various regions helps build mutual understanding and respect among participants. Linguistic accessibility. Providing translation services during key events ensures that non-native speakers can fully engage without feeling excluded or misunderstood. Building strategic partnerships within the global club framework. Strategic alliances within a global club extend far beyond casual networking. They involve creating formalized collaborations that yield tangible benefits for all parties involved. These partnerships often lead to joint research projects, combined training programs, and co-branded initiatives that amplify each organization's reach and influence. To establish effective partnerships, clear objectives must be defined upfront. This includes identifying common goals, outlining expected outcomes, and establishing measurable success criteria that align with both organizational missions. Creating shared value through collaborative projects. Collaborative projects serve as concrete manifestations of strategic partnership agreements. They allow alumni groups to pool resources, expertise, and networks towards achieving ambitious targets that would be difficult to attain individually. For instance, a technology-focused alumni group might partner with educators from another region to launch digital literacy campaigns tailored specifically for underrepresented communities around the world. Enhancing professional development opportunities via global club networks. Professional development remains a cornerstone benefit of participating in a global club. By tapping into global talent pools, alumni can access mentorship programs that transcend geographical limitations, gaining guidance from experts who may not be available locally. Moreover, these networks provide exclusive access to online learning modules developed by leading professionals across industries, enabling continuous skill enhancement even when physical attendance isn't feasible. Virtual mentorship platforms. Leveraging video conferencing tools allows mentors and ments from different continents to connect regularly despite time zone differences. Micro-learning modules. Short-form educational content focused on niche skills equips members with practical knowledge applicable immediately upon completion. Expanding career prospects globally with alumni network support. The support offered by a global club extends well beyond immediate career advancement. It shapes long-term professional trajectories by opening doors previously inaccessible due to location constraints or limited local connections. Veteran alumni often play pivotal roles in facilitating job placements abroad through recommendation letters, industry introductions, and sometimes direct sponsorship of internships or fellowships at foreign institutions. Globally relevant skill sets that drive international employment. Employers today seek candidates proficient in navigating multicultural environments effectively. A global club prepares its members precisely for this need by embedding intercultural competence into its core curriculum. Courses covering topics like conflict resolution across cultures, cross-border negotiations, and ethical considerations in multinational settings equip graduates with indispensable soft skills highly prized by employers operating internationally. driving innovation through diverse perspectives within the global club. Diversity within a global club acts as catalyst for innovation, challenging conventional wisdom and encouraging creative problem-solving approaches rooted in varied lived experiences. Promoting an environment where ideas flow freely irrespective of hierarchy fosters breakthrough innovations that address complex global challenges ranging from climate change mitigation to healthcare accessibility improvements. Idea incubation programs, structured processes designed to refine raw ideas into viable business models, receive significant attention here, ensuring promising ventures get nurtured properly before market entry. Creative workshops, regular brainstorming sessions facilitated by design thinking experts help translate abstract concepts into actionable plans quickly and efficiently. Strengthening community bonds through cultural exchange activities. Cultural exchange activities form an essential part of any thriving global club ecosystem. Such engagements go beyond mere social interactions. They actively contribute to building deeper emotional bonds between participants while promoting greater empathy and appreciation toward other traditions. These exchanges take many forms, including culinary workshops featuring regional cuisines, art exhibitions showcasing heritage crafts, and storytelling nights highlighting folklore passed down generations within various communities. Food festivals. Hosting monthly food fairs celebrates culinary diversity while offering hands-on cooking classes led by native chefs from participating countries. Craft exhibitions. Displaying handmade items created using indigenous techniques provides insight into artisanal practices seldom encountered outside one's own culture. Ensuring inclusivity and representation in all aspects of the global club experience. Inclusivity cannot merely exist as an aspiration. It needs structured implementation across all facets of the global club experience. From leadership selection procedures to content moderation policies, conscious effort must be made to avoid systemic biases that could alienate certain demographics. Implementing transparent governance frameworks ensures equal representation at decision-making tables while also guaranteeing fair treatment in dispute resolution mechanisms established within community guidelines. Towards equitable participation models for everyone. Equity-focused models prioritize removing barriers rather than simply providing token accommodations. This involves investing in infrastructure improvements that make remote participation equally rewarding compared to on-site involvement. Accessibility features such as closed captions during webinars or downloadable transcripts following recorded lectures cater better to those with hearing impairments or scheduling conflicts related to work commitments elsewhere. Harnessing technology to expand reach and engagement levels. Modern technologies offer unprecedented possibilities for expanding the footprint of a global club. Virtual reality platforms enable immersive interaction experiences mimicking face-to-face meetings, albeit remotely. Social media analytics tools assist administrators in tracking engagement metrics, thereby allowing targeted interventions aimed at re-engaging disinterested segments within broader memberships. Augmented reality experiences, AR. Applications overlay digital information onto real-world settings, enhancing exploration possibilities, especially useful during museum visits or historical site tours conducted virtually. AI-powered personalization engines. Machine learning algorithms analyze user behavior patterns, then suggest customized activity recommendations based purely on individual preferences, thus increasing likelihoods of sustained interest levels. Evaluating success metrics and continuous improvement processes. Measuring effectiveness goes hand in hand with refining operations continuously. Key performance indicators should reflect both quantitative achievements alongside qualitative feedback gathered from ongoing surveys administered periodically throughout membership periods. Data-driven assessments guide necessary adjustments, ensuring alignment with evolving trends while maintaining relevance amidst changing socio-economic landscapes affecting participant priorities over time. Feedback loops. Encouraging iterative enhancements. Established feedback loops facilitate iterative enhancements by capturing suggestions emerging naturally during informal conversations held offline or captured digitally through suggestion boxes embedded within app interfaces. Anonymized data collection methods preserve privacy concerns, simultaneously gathering sufficient volumes required for meaningful trend analysis, particularly concerning usage frequency statistics tied to particular features favored most. frequently amongst users. Encouraging leadership development amidst culturally diverse membership bases. Leadership cultivation plays critical role within successful global clubs, requiring deliberate investment into developing future leaders capable managing multicultural teams adeptly under varying circumstances faced globally. Training modules focusing on emotional intelligence development prove invaluable, preparing emerging leaders equipped handling delicate situations arising inevitably whenever working closely alongside peers possessing disparate cultural upbringings, influencing viewpoints significantly impacting collaborative dynamics. Cross-cultural communication training. Role-playing exercises simulate scenarios demanding negotiation tactics suitable across differing value systems, thereby sharpening adaptability needed successfully traversing potential misunderstandings inherent wherever human relationships intersect across borders. Conflict resolution seminars. Practical workshops demonstrating mediation techniques applied universally irrespective national origin enable attendees grasp nuanced aspects underlying interpersonal disagreements occurring commonly within heterogeneous workforces, seeking harmony amid plurality. Supporting entrepreneurial ventures born out of alumni collaboration. Entrepreneurship flourishes best within ecosystems nurturing risk-taking spirit, supported robustly by existing structures ready assisting fledgling businesses reaching scale rapidly without unnecessary bureaucratic hurdles impeding progress prematurely. By establishing incubator spaces exclusively dedicated facilitating startup journeys from ideation stages through scaling phases ensures consistent availability vital resources required transforming theoretical propositions, actualizable commercial enterprises generating sustainable employment opportunities globally. Business plan review panels. Expert panels comprised seasoned entrepreneurs evaluate proposals critically identifying gaps needing addressing prior submitting pitch decks investor audiences ensuring higher chances securing funding approvals swiftly thereafter. Legal compliance advisors. Specialized consultants advise startups regarding regulatory requirements pertinent jurisdictions they intend operating henceforth avoiding costly mistakes resulting from ignorance legal norms governing respective markets targeted initially. Conclusion. The Global Club represents much more than just another alumni network initiative. It embodies transformative potential reshaping how graduates interact professionally personally across globe through shared values emphasizing inclusiveness innovation excellence. As we continue strengthening ties within our ever-expanding global village, embracing new technologies advancing equity enhancing leadership capacities collectively propelling forward journey filled promise excitement ahead awaiting all courageous enough embark upon adventure waiting beyond familiar horizons.